Why you always lying? Why you always lying? Oh my God. Stop bleeping lying. Always lying to me. You lie so much. What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going on a run and workout at the beach like we did the last time, but we're just gonna try and, you know, turn it into an everyday-ish thing. Let me not say everyday, let me say turn it into a more regular or frequent thing that we do, you know, just to be #fit, just to be #everything good. You know what I'm saying? Yo, this camera. So I'm gonna take you guys along with me. We're probably gonna take a few pictures at the beach for my Instagram, because guys, hey, I can't even lie to you, photography, taking pictures and updating social media, I've really been struggling with that, but I'm working on improving on my Instagram, the quality. Check me out at yeukai.loreen on Instagram and at yeukai.loreen on Facebook. So now my hamstrings are really tight because yesterday I did like a 30-minute full body workout that really assassinated me, but hopefully today the run will make me feel much better. So now I'm just stretching. I'm waiting for my brother-in-law and for Zairi to finish up what they're doing, and then we'll quickly drive to the beach. Like, I stay 10 minutes or less away from the beach, so that's where we go. Then we do our run, and then we'll do like a quick workout at those park, what are they called? Communal I don't know what they're called, but those like community working out thingies there. That's where we'll work out. I can't even call them machines, because I guess it's a machine because it's like with science definition, like the integrated science definition of of a machine. It's a machine. But yeah, anyways guys, I know now I'm blabbering. Let's go. Guys, I'm gonna upload a fun full body workout for you. You're absolutely gonna love it. I just want to make sure that I do it like marvelously. I do it right, with the right lighting, and you know, when I'm in the right state of mind, so that we can really get like a proper workout. And then somebody decides to start driving whilst I'm talking, but anyways, I hope you guys can hear me. Okay. Guys, this is like Zairi's top. It is top that I'm wearing, and then these leggings that I got from Mr. Price, and my Zanzang, and my usual sneakers that I'm always wearing. And what you say about my hair? My hair, I know it's representing, I know it's dripping sauce. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like my hair. Okay, let's go guys. Hey guys, finally we're back home, tired and hungry, but I wanted to quickly show you a quick watermelon salad. I know some of you guys had requested to see how I make salads using my watermelon. So today I have some tuna, so I'm going to make a tuna salad, and that's what we're gonna have for dinner. I'm gonna carry some of it for work again tomorrow. So Zairi is gonna eat his share today, and I'm gonna carry mine for work tomorrow, and I'm gonna quickly speed you guys through it. So basically for the salad, you just use whatever it is you have on hand. I've got these lovely bowls, guys. Can you see how nice this is? I got these like because I needed bowls that were big enough to hold salads, and I got these from Pep. I think they were like 30 rand or something, and I absolutely love them. So for this salad, I'm going to use carrots, lettuce, some green peppers that I also got on sale. As you know, guys, I always buy stuff that's on sale, and some leftover green onions. So I'm going to quickly chop these up, and then I'm going to assemble it for you guys. I just wanted to show you guys, I also have some frozen corn that I'm quickly cooking in here, and some eggs that I'm boiling. So I'm gonna probably carry the eggs to work tomorrow or something. I was just thinking to myself, maybe it's not such a good idea to carry the tuna salad, because since I'm working with people, I don't want to be busy smelling like tuna in front of the customers. So I'll probably keep my salad for dinner tomorrow, because I'm not that hungry now, and then Zaidi will have his now.
Hold me close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Alright guys, and dinner is ready. Our tuna salad with the soft boiled egg, plenty of lettuce underneath, plenty of protein from the tuna, and healthy carbs from our vegetables, packed with micronutrients, all the good things that you need to make you feel marvelous. Alright guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, because that really supports my channel. Also, it lets me know what you guys are interested in seeing. Remember to look for me on Instagram at yeukai.loreen. Find me also on Facebook at yeukai.loreen. Share this video, subscribe for more healthy wellness inspirational videos to show you that even curvy girls have the right to exercise, their right to fitness. Doesn't mean just because you're curvy, you don't have a flat stomach, you don't have a six-pack, then you can't take care of your health. Still, it's good to exercise, look after your body, eat your best, because we were not all created the same. We were not all created the same. So love yourself, appreciate what you have, and take care of what you are working with. So guys, I'm gonna link below another day in my life, another healthy day in my life, where I went for park run and show you all my healthy meals, show you some show you some healthy grocery shopping that we did for our house, everything and more, linked in the description box below. Be sure to check it out, share it with your mother, your father, your brother, your sister, your everybody. Share my videos, guys.